I mean, you can do what you got to do, but I plead guilty. I would like to plead guilty today.
Well,
Yes.
that can't happen. Is that what you want me to do?
No, I would like for you to accept my guilty plea.
Pardon?
No, I would like for you to accept.
I'm not, okay, sir. I'm not taking your plea.
I don't know if I can make one.
Pardon?
I don't know if I can make it. I'm not understanding this.
If you don't choose either one of those, I'm adjourning the proceeding, finding good cause to do so.
This guy walks into court like he's the one in charge of the entire legal system, and it's honestly unreal to watch. He's actually arguing with Judge Simpson because he wants to plead guilty on the spot, even though this court legally can't accept that plea. It feels like watching someone try to renew a driver's license at a grocery checkout. Completely wrong place, completely wrong process. His attorney looks absolutely drained, and you can tell she's already explained this before they even stepped inside, but is locked into the version of reality he made up in his head. It's wild seeing someone fight this hard just to misunderstand how things work. Drop a comment and tell me, do you think he's just putting on a show, or is he genuinely unhinged? Let's get into it.
For the court's patience, I just had to relay some information.
That's what I'm known for. If
Patient.
anybody laughs, you're going. No, go ahead.
You are a very patient man, Judge.
Go ahead. Second.
So, Your Honor, today is the date and time set for probable cause conference in this matter.
Yes.
I do understand my client has been deemed competent to stand trial. I've had conversations with him. It tells me that he is prepared to enter a plea today. I've explained to him that that's not something that the court would be able to do at this stage. I've also explained to him that typically we would send this matter up to circuit court so that the sentencing judge will be able to properly enter his plea for him. He says that that's not something that he wishes to do. So I'm kind of at a crossroads at this point, Judge. I don't know.
So,
This man is giving his attorney a full-blown migraine because everything his argument has already been broken down for him multiple times. You can almost feel the judge forcing himself to stay calm while explaining something that really isn't complicated. District court cannot take a felony plea. Period. And somehow, this guy thinks that arguing louder or longer will magically change the court's jurisdiction. It's like screaming at a vending machine because it won't make you a cheeseburger. Judge Simpson is genuinely trying to help him here, but the defendant can't seem to grasp that the judge is guiding him toward a guilty plea. Just not today. Not here. All he has to do is waive the exam, let it move to circuit court, and he'd already be well on his way to sentencing. Instead, he's making everything harder than it needs to be. What do you think? Confused, or just stubborn beyond reason?
sir, if you're going to enter a plea to these cases, it would have to go to another judge to take that plea, which is the waiver that counsel's talking about. I could not accomplish that today for you.
You can't just
Usually,
plead guilty.
Mr. Gatlin, what we do is once I've made the finding that I made today, we adjourn it out to the next available day, give you a chance to talk with your attorneys about what you want to do and the process by which that will happen. Okay? You understand that, sir?
I mean, I just don't understand why I can't plead guilty, man. And get to
Because if you pled guilty, you'd be pleading to felony charges.
You can see exactly why Judge Simpson finally reaches his limit here. The defendant keeps acting like the judge is personally blocking him, when in reality the court simply doesn't have the authority to do what is asking. Moments like this really highlight how many people walk into court with zero understanding of even the most basic legal procedures. And honestly, that's a bigger issue than most people realize. I'll spare you my rant on the education system this time, but some of you already know what I'm getting at. And let's talk about his attorney for a second. I genuinely feel bad for her. She looks like she wants to disappear under the table. What should be a routine procedural step has turned into a full-on standoff, all because one person refuses to let the process work. This is exactly why cases drag on forever. He's so fixated on pleading guilty today that he can't see the judge is actually trying to save him from a serious legal mess. Let me know what you're thinking so far.
Those pleas are taken before a circuit court judge, which is why it would have to be waived and you would have to go up to circuit court.
I mean, you could do what you got to do, but I plead guilty.
Well, let me do this. You've not discussed a waiver with him in detail, have you?
I mean, I have, Your Honor. I've explained to him what the waiver does and how it would send him over to circuit court with a pretrial. I've explained to him his right to the preliminary exam. I suggested that we set it for exam, but.
All right. Sir, you seem like you want to get it moving, and I don't have a problem with that. Do you want to waive so you can go up before the circuit court judge and do what you're going to do, or do you want a preliminary examination to have a hearing on the charges?
I would like to plead guilty today.
Well, that can't happen. If you wish to plead guilty, I can get you, you would waive so that I can get you to a place where you could do that as soon as available. Is that what you want me to do?
No, I would like for you to accept my guilty plea.
Pardon?
No, I would like for you to accept.
I'm not, okay, sir, I'm not taking your plea. So your options are, I could set this for preliminary examination, or you can waive the preliminary examination and I will send it to circuit court where they will be more than happy to take your plea. If you don't choose either one of those, I'm adjourning the proceeding, finding good cause to do so. So, sir, what is your choice?
I don't know if I can make one.
Pardon?
I don't know if I can make it. I'm not understanding this.
All right. If there's something you're not understanding, I've got to give you time to talk to your attorney about it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the fastest date I can possibly give you to come back. Once you've had that, figure out exactly what you're doing. So I'm going to find good cause to adjourn the probable cause conference in this matter. I will adjourn it to my next date is the 9th, to October 9th, 2025, 9 a.m. His bond will continue. Thank you.
I'll come and see you.
I need a moment after that, because the level of confusion in that courtroom was honestly unreal. It really shows that understanding the structure of the justice system matters just as much as understanding the charges themselves. You'd be shocked how many cases get delayed simply because defendants insist on doing things that legally cannot happen. Judge Simpson may have actually protected this guy by stopping that plea, because that mistake could have completely wrecked his case down the line. This is also a perfect reminder that having an attorney isn't just about sentencing. It's about navigating the maze long before you ever get there. Watching this felt like seeing someone insist they can drive straight through a brick wall because their GPS told them to. But I want to hear from you. What did you think about Judge Simpson's patience here? And what would you do if you were in that position? As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.